Hi there, come take a walk with me and let's look at some birds and bird houses and what's inside them on this beautiful property. Folks ask all the time, how do you know a bird is living inside the birdhouse? Well, when you look at the entrance hole and you see some little beady eyes peering out at you, probably a good chance something's going on in there. That's a red morph stage of an eastern screech owl. Let's check it out. This is May 15th, and we have a screech owl sitting on eggs. For Southwest Florida, that is very late. I hope those come to fruition for her. Now that is an enormous osprey nest of years and years of adding to it. Just wish they would have been a little bit more symmetrical in the weight load distribution. Thank you for taking a minute to look inside the birdhouses with me and look at other species that are around this golf course today. Take care.